Looking for a luxury SUV that combines iconic design with raw V8 power? The 2025 Mercedes AMG G63 is a beast wrapped in a designer suit. Let's explore what makes this SUV so special. Insert your auto drive showroom intro and subscription reminder here. 1. Engine and performance. Engine type: handcrafted 4.0-liter AMG V8 biturbo. Horsepower: 577 horsepower. Torque: 627 pound-feet. 0 to 100 km per hour, 0-62 miles per hour, around 4.3 seconds. Top speed: electronically limited to 220 km per hour, 137 miles per hour, or 240 km per hour, 149 miles per hour with AMG driver's package. Fuel economy: estimated around 13 to 15 mpg combined. Notable feature: AMG performance exhaust with selectable modes for sound customization. 2. Transmission and drivetrain. Transmission: 9-speed AMG SPEEDSHIFT TCT automatic. Drivetrain: full-time all-wheel drive, 4MATIC. Torque distribution: 40/60 front to rear for better driving dynamics. Off-road features: 3 differential locks, low-range gear for enhanced off-road capability. AMG-specific drive modes including trail and sand. 3. Suspension and handling. Suspension type: front, independent double wishbone. Rear, rigid axle with coil springs. Adaptive damping system: AMG ride control for comfort and sportiness. Steering: electromechanical speed-sensitive power steering. 4. Brakes. Brakes type: AMG high-performance ventilated disc brakes. Front and rear size: around 15.7-inch front, 14.6-inch rear. Optional: AMG carbon ceramic braking system improves performance and reduces fade. 5. Exterior design and dimensions. Design highlights: boxy, iconic G-Class silhouette. AMG-specific grille with vertical slats. Flared wheel arches, side exit exhausts. Lighting: full LED lighting system. Wheels: standard 22-inch forged AMG wheels, optional 23-inch. Sunroof: standard power tilt slide. Dimensions: length: approximately 191.9 in. Width: approximately 78.1 in. Height: approximately 77.5 in. Wheelbase: approximately 113.8 in. 6. Interior and comfort. Seating capacity: 5 passengers. Upholstery: Napa leather standard with optional Designo leather upgrades. Features: heated and ventilated front and rear seats. Multi-contour massage front seats. Dual zone climate control, optional tri-zone. 64 color ambient lighting. AMG performance steering wheel with touch controls. Optional carbon fiber, wood, or metal trim insert D. 7. Infotainment and tech. MBUX system. Dual 12.3-inch digital displays, instrument cluster plus infotainment. Voice control: Hey Mercedes, voice assistant. Navigation: integrated with real-time traffic. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, standard. Sound system: Burmester 15-speaker premium sound system. Charging: wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports. 8. Safety and driver assistance. Airbags: front, side, curtain, and knee airbags. Driver aids: adaptive cruise control, Distronic Plus. Lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, autonomous emergency braking, traffic sign assist, 360-degree camera with active parking assist. 9. Convenience and extra features: keyless entry and start, power tailgate with hands-free access, heated windshield and mirrors, cruise control, multiple drive modes, comfort, sport, sport plus, individual, slippery, trail, sand. Remote engine start via Mercedes Me app. 10. Special touches and options. AMG night package, blacked out trim and accents. Exclusive interior package plus, adds diamond stitching and extended leather. AMG trail package, extra underbody protection and trail focused tuning. Designo paint options, over 30 unique color choices. Optional roof rack, rear spare wheel cover in carbon fiber. Outro, recap plus call to action. The 2025 AMG G63 is more than a luxury SUV, it's a statement. Power, presence, and prestige in one iconic package. Whether you're hitting the dunes or cruising the city streets, the G-Wagon commands attention everywhere it goes. Insert. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Visit us at Auto Drive to see the AMG G63 in person.